The next question, a Hindu Revert, he asks, if non-Muslims accept Islam, then who will give them complete knowledge about Islam? I am 20 years of age. Is it possible for me to learn how to read the Quran while working and at the same time learn Islam? Please answer me. I was a Hindu a few years back. Any person, if he wants to have the correct understanding of the deen, of the religion of Islam, he should be connected to the glorious Quran. He should read the glorious Quran with understanding. If you do not know Arabic as a language, you should read the translation of the glorious Quran. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says in Surah Ra'd, chapter number 13, verse number 28, Ala bi dhikrillahi tatma'innul qulub. Verily, in the remembrance of Allah do hearts find satisfaction. The more we are connected to the glorious Quran, the more we will find peace and tranquility in our hearts. We will find peace and tranquility in our lives. We should be connected to the glorious Quran. And as for the non-Muslims who have just accepted Islam, who have reverted, they should join an Islamic organization that specializes and focuses on reverts. And these organizations are available in most parts of the world. They focus on the basic tenets of Islam. For example, how to offer salah, regarding zakah, regarding fasting, the basic tenets of Islam, the pillars of Islam, the pillars of Iman, teaching the new Muslims the reverts regarding the basic tenets of Islam. Besides that, you can also join the IOU, that is the Islamic Online University, that is run by Dr. Bilal Phillips, and it has a diploma and a bachelor's degree. Inshallah, if you join this university, it will enhance your knowledge of Islam and will give you better understanding of the glorious Quran. We also have the KIU.org, Knowledge Islamic University, that is run by Sheikh Saad Shetri. You can join this university also. It will enhance your knowledge of Islam. Besides that, you can also visit islamqa.info. This is an amazing website. If you have any questions regarding Islam, you can ask on this website and they will respond to your queries. Many of the questions are already answered and they have a huge database. So most of your questions will already be available on their website. If it is not, you can very well ask them, and this website is available in several languages of the world. So you can benefit through this also. Besides that, you can also watch Peace TV in the 4 different languages. You can also download the application, the Peace TV application, that is available on the App Store and that is available on Android. You can also visit ZakirNaik.com, and inshallah it will give you more information about Islam. So these few things will inshallah help you and will give you more information and more knowledge about Islam.